Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. Friends, today we are going to discuss about NCERT Maths Class 6 Chapter 7 Fractions, Exercise 7.4 question number 6. So friends, without wasting any time, let's get started. So this question says the following fraction represent just 3 different numbers. Separate them into 3 groups of equivalent fractions by changing each one to its simplest form. So over here, as you can see, there are fractions given to us and these are not in their simplest form. Okay. Now this is trying to say there are 3 simplest fractions over here which are given to us in form of these equivalent fractions. Okay. So what we have to do is, first we have to find out the 3 simplest fractions by simplifying these equivalent fractions, and then we have to find out the equivalent fractions for each 3 of the fractions we will find. Okay. So first one, A part right here is, as you can see, it is 2 upon 12. Now obviously this is not in its simplest form, so we will need to simplify this. So 2 upon 12 over here, both of them will go by 2. 2 goes 1 times by 2 and 12 goes 6 times by 2, that is 1 upon 6. Same way, see the B one, which is 3 upon 15. So 3 upon 15, both will go by 3. So 3 goes 1 times by 3 and 15 goes 5 times by 3. So this is 1 upon 5. Now we will be solving the C part. So C part, here we have 8 upon 50. Now do you think is this fraction in its simplest form? No. 8 and 50 both are divisible by 2. Okay. So 8 goes how many times? 4 times by 2, and 50, 5 is here, so we will take 4 from this. 4 goes 2 times, 1 will be left, that will go to 0, and 0 will become 10, so 10 goes 5 times. Now this is 4 upon 25 and this is the simplest fraction, so we can write this 4 upon 25. Now next one is the D1, which is 16 upon 100. Okay. Now both are divisible by which number? 2. So 16 goes 8 times and 100 over here. So 10 goes 5 times and 0 will be same. So that is 8 upon 50. Now it is very easy because we simplify 8 upon 50 in the third one only. So 8 upon 50 both will go by 2, 8 goes 4 times and 50 goes 25 times. So the simplest fraction becomes 4 upon 25. Now friends, let's solve the E part. So that is 10 upon 60. Now which number can we take over here? 10 and 60 both will go by 10. 10 goes 1 times by 10 and 60 goes 6 times. That is 1 upon 6. Next is F part, that is 15 by 75. Now do you think is there a common divisor of 15 and 75? Yes, there are many. One of them is 3. So 15 goes how many times? 5 times. And 75 goes 7 is here. So we will take 6 from this, that goes 2 times. 1 will be left, 15 goes 5 times. So 5 upon 25. Now this is not in the simplest form, this will go by 5. So 5 goes 1 times and 25 goes 5 times by 5. So that is 1 upon 5. Okay. Now we will be solving the G part. So let us start solving. So this is 12 upon 60. Now 12 and 60 both are divisible by 2. So 12 goes 6 times by 2 and 60 goes how many times? As you see 6 right here, it goes 3 times and 0. That is 30 times. 6 upon 30. Now do you think is this in its simplest form? No. 6 and 30 both will go by 2, 6 goes 3 times and 30 goes, as you can see, 2 from this, that will be going 1 time and 1 carried over, so 15. Now 3 upon 15, again simplify this, 3 and 15 both will be going by 3. So 3 goes 1 times and 15 goes 5 times. That is 1 upon 5. Alright. Now friends, we will solve the h part. So this is 16 upon 96. Now what is the common divisor of these two? Yes, we can take 2. So 16 goes 8 times, 96 here 9. So we can take 8 from this 4 times. 1 will be left, 6 turns 16, that goes 8 times. So 8 upon 48, again it's not in its simplest form. So 8 and 48 both will go by 8. To make this more easy, 8 and 48, 8 goes 1 times and 48 goes 6 times. That's 1 upon 6. Alright, next over here, solve the I part. So this is 12 upon 75. So 12 and 75, as you can see, 12 and 75 both will go by 3. So 12 goes how many times? 4 times. And 75, 7 here. So we will take 6 2 times and then 5 turns 15, that is 5. Okay. So 4 upon 25. Now as you can see, this is in its simplest form. That means the simplest form becomes 4 upon 25. Alright. Now we will solve the j part, that is 12 upon 72. So 12 and 72 both will go by 2. So 12 goes 6 times by 2 and 72, 6 here 3 times, 1 carry 12, that is 6 times. Now we have 6 upon 36. Again we will take 2, 6 goes 3 times, 3 here, 2 will be taken from this 1 times, 1 will be carried over, so it becomes 3 upon 18. Now do you think, is this in its simplest form? No, it is. Both of them will go by 3, 3 goes 1 times and 18 goes 6 times. Now it is in its simplest form, 1 upon 6. Alright. Now we will solve the k part. So let's solve. This is 3 upon 18. And as we know, we solved it previously. 3 upon 18 both will go by 3, 1 times will be going 3 and 18 goes 6 times, that is 1 upon 6. Now we have the L1, that is 4 upon 25, and as you can see 4 upon 25, that is in its simplest form. So simply we will be writing 4 upon 25. Now over here friends, as you can see, we have simplified all the fractions. Only 12 fractions were given to us, and over here is the simplest fraction of them. Okay, so we need to see what are the 3 simplest fractions we have found. So as you can see, these are 12 different fractions, but we have to find 3 types of fractions from this. So first is 1 upon 6, this is the simplest one. Then the second one is 1 upon 5. Now we have found 2, that is 1 upon 6 and 1 upon 5. What else over here we can find out? As you can see, this is 4 upon 25, which is even a simplest fraction, that is 4 upon 25. Now these 3 are the simplest fractions they were talking about, and now if we have to see the equivalent fractions, now see from this, the fractions which were simplified into 1 upon 6 will be the equivalent fractions of 1 upon 6. Same way the fraction which were simplified to 1 upon 5 will be the equivalent fractions of 1/5, and then 4 upon 25. So again the fraction simplified to 425, 4 upon 25 will be its equivalent fractions. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and Hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also leave a like on this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, wear a mask, maintain social distancing and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.